Alright guys, how you guys doing today? We're back again. Today I'm going to show you some cool Windows command prompt PowerShell tricks that we can do to make our computers run a little better and see if we have any errors in there. So let's get right into it. Let's get right in. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to either want to go start. I'm using PowerShell because I want the newest one, so I'm going to type power. There's PowerShell. Want to make sure we're an administrator. I'm doing this on Windows 11. Works on 10 too, and the other previous ones. But I mean, you got to be switching over now anyway. So I mean, you're either on 10 or 11. You should be at least now. Probably 11. Run as administrator, and then your first one you're going to do is SFC / scan now enter. And it's going to show all the stuff it can do. So we're going to do it the whole trick now. And then we're going to go /SCANNOW enter. So now it's going to check the files and verifying and repair them automatically. So it's going to go through and it's going to check the computer if there's any problems with the registry or anything like that and what it should be, and it's going to repair it for you. I mean, this is a good tool just to do randomly, and it will tell you if it repaired some stuff. So it's going to go in 12%, and it's going to show you and repair your stuff. It's pretty dang cool. I found this out. My he's an IT administrator, and he's telling me, oh yeah, Miles, we use it all the time. Works great. And I was like, oh, I just figured this out. He goes, oh yeah, we use it all the time. Work. And I said, okay, I got to share this. He goes, yeah, most people don't know about this. And I said, okay. So we're going to show it out. 35, 36. I've already done it before, so it's probably going to say there's no problems with it at all. There's another tool that I'm going to show you guys next. It's called DISM. And this can do an OS check, and this will check your OS to make sure there's any corruptions or anything of that in the OS itself, and it will automatically pull them from what they should be from Microsoft themselves and replace them with the correct ones. Pretty freaking cool too. So all you do for this one, because this is a long code, so I just kind of type DISM in on Chrome. So I'm just going to type DISM, and this is the command right here, RestoreHealth. If you just do health check, it'll tell you if there's any problems or not. But I'm just going to restore it anyway, so it'll click this. I'm going to copy this, Control-C, copy it. We're going to minus this out. And then we're going to put Control-V. Oh, we'll wait till this is done. I'm going to wait till 84%, so it should be done soon. And we'll see. I mean, I'm sure there's nothing wrong with it. Who knows? Watch I say this video right now, guys. There'll be something wrong with it. It'll be pretty funny. But, let's see. 586. Here we go. One and done. Yep. Let's see. Windows Resource Protection did not find any violations, so everything's good. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my next command. Clean image, restore. Let's just start a new command because I want to show you guys what it looks like all the way. PowerShell. Got to do as administrator. So now I'm going to go Control-V again. Did I copy it? No, I did not copy it. We'll go back here. Control-C. PowerShell. Control-V. There it is. System health check. Hit enter. Now it's going to looking through the image. It shows the image version. Now it's going to look up online, and it's going to check the files first. And if there's any problems with it, then it will repair them. Kind of grab the ones and download the ones that it needs. It's going to restore the health. And this is good if Windows things aren't acting correctly or working in the computer. Do one of these. It works awesome, or something's not acting the way it should. Now it could just be the version of, the Windows that you're running. It could just be a problem with it with the OS. Remember, Windows 11 is so new, it hasn't even had a real service pack yet. Not until either they say September 20th, 27th or something of this month. We'll see, or it's probably going to be in October, and that's when the first actual service pack will come out. But just for problems that it's been working how it was when you first installed, and then all of a sudden it's not doing like it was before, try this and you might fix your problems and stuff like that. I would say though, after this is complete, I would highly recommend just doing a restart on your computer, a proper restart, just to get everything kind of functioned if there was any fixes or something that it did. But we'll see right now. excuse me, how it's working right now. We're at 59%, 60. It's kind of getting up a little up there. There it is, 100%. Yep, restoration completed successful, and that's all you get with that system health check. Instead of restore. Let's see where I put this. Oh yeah, RestoreHealth. You can do health check there, and it'll actually show you if there's any problems. Like actually say, oh yeah, we found problems. Then you would do this command, or you could just say, hey, I'm just gonna run this command anyways. If it fixes something, if it doesn't, whatever. But yeah, the health check one will only just tell you there's a problem. It won't say where, but that's why I'm just like, who cares? If I do this, and there's either a problem or there isn't a problem, it's gonna fix whatever. If it doesn't, it fixes nothing. So, you know. But yeah, I'll do these videos for you guys. I thought these were cool little tools I found. Wanted to help you guys out. Remember, I watch everybody's video. Everybody has different takes on these things. But rock and roll. Have a wonderful day. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. But hey, keep this in mind. I love this. Works great. Wanted to give this for you guys. And that's all I need to say today. So, till next time, peace out.